Let's talk about RA 7877, Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995. An act declaring sexual harassment unlawful in the employment, education, or training environment, and for other purposes. Conduct of sexual nature: verbal, visual, physical. Verbal harassment: sexual stories, sexual rumors, sexual jokes, requesting for sexual favors, or repeatedly asking a person out. Visual harassment: malicious staring, posters, drawings, pictures, emails, or texts of sexual nature. Physical harassment: inappropriate touching, rubbing, impeding or blocking of movement, sexual gestures. Consequences of sexual harassment: disciplinary actions, written warnings, suspension, demotion, even termination. Lawsuits. Prevention of sexual harassment: be knowledgeable about anti-sexual harassment. Report when you see or hear it. Treat everyone with respect.